sharing more updates and also showing to us as to what exactly that crucial document that is a charge sheet by the National Investigation Agency, including the details of Tawwur Rana's charges and how the entire conspiracy and the plot in Pakistan in complete confluence with David Hadley was also conducted on the US soil as well. Now joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Aditya Wadhawan, who's there with us. Aditya, now it is just shortly from now that he will be now produced after being brought to India, and there is heavy security that is also being maintained and high alert has been sounded as far as these details are concerned. What are you picking up as far as the United States on the extradition and the statements that are followed by the United States administration? The Donald Trump's government is concerned on Tawwur Rana now being brought to India.
Well, absolutely, Simran. If you see, he will be, brought to India, and from there on, NIA will take his custody, where they will first get his medical checkup done, and then the course of interrogation will be followed. It is expected that during the course of interrogation of Rana, he would give more leads as to how many more terrorists associated with Lashkar-e-Taiba in Pakistan were involved in plotting the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack case. As of now, there is a huge security presence outside the court also, because it is very likely that he will be virtually produced at the NIA court for hearing, where a big charge sheet will be filed against Rana. Yes, Simran.
All right, my colleague Brian Thomas is also with us from NIA, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Brian, what are you picking up as far as the NIA headquarters, the activity is concerned? Because after he has been landing in Delhi, the first time he will be then taken to the NIA headquarters, and you are also there. What are you picking up?
Well, following